Hiya, I'm Bill. Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to do a short video that's going to fascinate you about water and how it drains through our soil. Watch this next video that comes from the University at Reading. I was gobsmacked. If you got any comments about this, put them below. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye bye. In this experiment, Dr. Rob Thompson of University of Reading shows how long it takes water to soak up into parched ground, illustrating why heavy rainfall after a drought can be dangerous and might lead to flash floods. Well, what do you think of that video? I've got a library below of all different catchy hints and tips, and I bring out videos every week. So hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya, bye bye.